It's now time to do some financial spring cleaning with Ideal Home Loans. Our next guest can put cash back into your wallet by lowering your mortgage, your home mortgage. And that means you'll be seeing more green in spring by cashing in on their offer. So stop procrastinating. With items on your money to-do list, you can actually be saving big with one phone call and a simple click of the mouse. Ideal Home Loans is a business that offers lower rates with a quick turnaround time to get your new rate in place. In fact, you can have a lower rate on your home mortgage once you apply in just 3 weeks. Wow, that's quick. Here with Ideal Home Loans and your mortgage solution is Brent Ivinson. He's also offering a free mortgage consultation. Nice to see you.
Good to see you.
Low rates. Break this down for me.
Well, you know, earlier this week, the stock market had a very rough week. The Dow was down over 200 points, and that favored mortgage rates. We saw rates move backwards, headed back towards that 50-year historic low mark that we saw at the end of last year. Now, we've had some rebounds this week, but rates have held their ground. So really good news for consumers, the fact that rates dropped and didn't just run right back up again.
So what does this mean for us? Now is a great time to refinance.
It is. It's a fantastic time to refinance. And believe it or not, statistically, 40% of homeowners are still paying 6% or more on their mortgage. And if you're somebody who's in that category, you can save a considerable amount of money by refinancing. And what we're finding, people think that the cost outweigh the benefit, and that's just not the case. With us, we disclose everything in writing. We can show you the math, so it's a make-sense transaction, and you're putting money back in your pocket, and you're saving money over the long haul.
And what are the rates currently?
Right now, 30-year fixed rates are right at 4.875 with an APR of 5.030, so still very, very good considering and historically.
Yeah, saves you a lot of money. 303-867-7000 is your number. Walk me through the process when someone calls that number.
Well, when you call our office, you're going to talk to one of our licensed loan officers. Our entire origination staff is licensed, bonded, insured. They've passed a national test. They've passed a state test. So you're dealing with a professional who really knows the process and can walk you through the whole thing from start to finish. And we take a unique approach. When you call our office, we're not going to tell you what we think you should do. We want to know what it is you're trying to accomplish and what you're trying to solve with your mortgage. A mortgage can be a very valuable financial tool, but it has to be used the right way, and it has to be used with both your long-term and short-term goals in mind, so we can structure something that not only works today, but works down the line for you as well.
If they pick up the phone and they call you right now, is that a free mortgage consultation?
It is. It costs absolutely nothing to call our office. And so if you're somebody who calls our office and you're in a great situation, you can go away from that phone call with the peace of mind of knowing that you're in the best possible position you could be in, and it's one less thing you have to worry about, and you're set long-term, and you don't have to worry about your home loan.
What can you offer someone who wants to just have home improvements done to their home and they need the cash?
This is a great product that we have available. It's the FHA 203K product, and it will allow you to include up to $35,000 worth of home improvement money into your loan.
How much?
$35,000.
Wow.
So if you're looking to remodel your kitchen, if you need to, redo your floors, your carpet, whatever you need, windows, all those things qualify for this. And the best part of this product is this works whether you are buying or refinancing. So as you know, there's a lot of people out there looking to buy. There's a lot of foreclosures in the marketplace. But as a home buyer, you look at those foreclosures and you realize that, boy, there's a lot of work that needs to be done here. I've got to replace carpet. I may have to replace windows. I may have to redo flooring. I may need to redo a kitchen. There may be some damage that was done. This gives those people an opportunity to get a great deal on a foreclosed property and have the money to fix that property up. It also works if you're refinancing your current property. There's a lot of people who are right on that bubble of, boy, I owe basically what my home is worth, so I don't really have an option to get money out. This will let you do it because the value is based on the after improvements appraisal.
Very nice, and you can close in as little as 3 weeks.
That's right.
303-867-7000. What's the difference between a mortgage broker and a mortgage banker? Because you're a mortgage banker.
We are. We're a mortgage banker, and what that means is we're lending our own money. So when you come to us, there's no middleman. We have our own in-house underwriting, processing, closing, shipping, funding. Everything's done inside our organization right here in the tech center. When you deal with a mortgage broker, you're going to somebody who is out negotiating on your behalf as a consumer with various banks. And as we all know, anytime you layer anybody into the process, you're talking about more time, you're talking about more fees, and that ultimately means a higher monthly payment. With us, we eliminate all that. That's why we're able to close in 2 to 3 weeks, and you ultimately end up with lower fees, a lower interest rate, and that translates into a lower payment. And when you look at if that payment differential is, let's say, $20 a month, You add that up over a 30-year mortgage, that is a substantial savings for the consumer.
Well, how can you help someone if they owe more on their home than it's actually worth? Are they stuck?
They're not. You know, there's products available for those individuals. If you're somebody who currently has a conventional mortgage, we have a product available that will allow you to borrow 105% of your home's current appraised value for the purpose of refinancing your existing first mortgage. Now, I know a lot of people out there, when they bought their home, they did a first and a second to avoid mortgage insurance, so they have a second mortgage involved, and that's fine. We can work around your second mortgage, come in, reduce your payments on your current first mortgage so that you're better able to weather the storm until values come back. A lot of people think, boy, I've been told I owe more than my home is worth. There's no option for me, and that's just not the case. Again, it's a free consultation to call. We can look into it, and chances are we can help you out and put you in a better position that you're in, even if you owe more than your home is worth.
Another great reason why you're a mortgage banker and not a mortgage broker.
Right.
So we've given the number, and we encourage you to call for that free consultation, but also your website. I think that's really helpful. You have a lot of tools on there, and it's really easy to navigate.
We do. You know, not only do we have a lot of information on our website about our organization and about our company, but it really is a state-of-the-art piece of technology that allows us to do business differently than we've ever done before. You can apply online with us. You can upload all your documentation online with us. You can get status on your loan during the process online with us. You literally can handle everything from start to finish from your computer at home with our organization at our office here in the Tech Center. If you want to come in and sit down face-to-face, we are happy to do that. We always feel like this is a big transaction for a lot of people. If you want to go over everything line by line, we're happy to do that. But if you're somebody who's done this before, you understand it, you know what you're doing, and you don't have the time to come in because we're all busy. People have kids, lives, things that go on, and you want to deal with us at 9 o'clock at night, you can do that. Apply online. Our loan officers will communicate with you throughout and handle everything from start to finish, and that's what allows us to close so quickly in most instances.
24-hour satisfaction. That's awesome. Thank you, Brent.
You bet. Thanks.
Great advice, and it doesn't cost to call or go online to see about lowering your mortgage with Ideal Home Loans. The number, it's 303-867-7000. Set up your free mortgage consultation today. And again, now's the time to do that with historic mortgage lows to save on your monthly payment. Ideal Home Loans can have you saving money in just 3 weeks. Remember, Ideal Home Loans offers lower rates with a quick turnaround. Time put back in your wallet. Do it now. The number again is 303-867-7000. The web address, idealhomeloans.com. And the segment was paid for by Ideal Home Loans.